Welcome back to Mash2Glass Discoveries. This is going to be round 2 of our March Madness Whiskey Tournament.
Woo!
Yeah, so this is going to be our first pairing of the two.
So this is in round two, pairing number one.
Number one.
Yes.
All right.
Cheers.
That's
Good.
All right.
Here we go.
This is number 2 of the first pairing in round 2. Cheers.
Let me see.
All right, that was good.
Oh, it was good.
Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Oh,
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
Number 1, baby.
All right.
The first pairing of round 2. The winner is
Knob Creek.
Knob Creek and Single Barrel 9 years.
Yeah, the knob.
The knob.
All right.
All right, make sure you subscribe and follow and watch our next episode as we see who wins in the second pairing of the second round. Cheers.